Let's get to boxing now. The national men's and women's boxing teams have intensified training ahead of the African Championships scheduled for the 14th to the 26th of October in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Davis Mberia paid them a visit in training and filed the following.
The training is fine. We thank our coaches for everything that they're doing to us. They're sharpening us. We're so grateful. Every day we learn. Cameroon, we went. We reached where we reached. But I believe that this African Championship that we are going, I believe that we are going to bring, there are some goals that are going to come. The speed, the power, the reflexes, everything, the footworks.
We have about 20 boxers, that's men and women. About 7 women and 15 male boxers in the different weight categories that we have. Because it's the Africa Championships is in October before the Africa Military Games. So there's actually time, but for whatever reasons, the team, KDF team, decided that they would rather have them for the Africa Games alone. But we always have boxers who will have to step in, and we are good to go.